my crafty friends, welcome to this special video. I got something in the mail a couple days ago, and I apologize that it has taken me a little bit to come on here and share and do an unboxing, but I have actually not been feeling well, and so I was spending a good bit of time just kind of resting and trying to feel better, and I am feeling a little bit better, so I thought we'd go ahead and see what I got from Crochet Society. I was actually kind of surprised to get this since I just got a box from them, but I think they're just trying really hard to get caught up and back on schedule, so I am not complaining. But like you, I'm excited to get in here and see what we have, so let's get this open. All right, so this is what our box looks like. It's really pretty. I guess it would go that way. And look, it's another nice size big box. And something else I am noticing about this box, I don't know if you can really tell, but like there's some kind of glittery 3D texture to some of these little shell pieces. So if I turn it like that, oh, I know right there on that side you can really see these pieces that are standing out with that little glitter. Okay, I know you're ready. I am too, but the box is really pretty. Sometimes the box is just as exciting as what's inside. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh, love it, love it. I'm gonna let you look first. And what does it say? Ooh, beach please. How about that? So let's find out. I'm just gonna cut the paper, but I will be back to open it with you. Okay, so I've just cut the paper. Let's see how well I can do this. In fact, I'm gonna let you look first to find the paper. And what do we have? Oh wow, it says beach. So let's see what we've got. Oh wow, how cute. Beach please. I am loving that. I love these little bags. They are perfect for putting little whips in to keeping them separated. I absolutely love that. And look at that yarn. Can you see the glitter in it? A little bit. Those are so pretty. So let's see, we have 98% acrylic and 2% metallic polyester. Those are pretty. All right. And this is called Rose Quartz. And this one is called Opal. And it's a Bella Coco Crochet Crystal DK. And it says they're made in Turkey. And of course, all the yarns in these boxes are made specifically just for these boxes. But I love those colors. All right, I'm kind of anxious to see what the patterns are. So we have some more stuffing. So obviously we have an amigurumi and my little code. I can't share that. And eat, sleep, crochet, and repeat from. I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm not sure what everything is, but let me just show it to you and we'll go from there. So this is all attached, and this little stitch marker is like a mermaid tail. Whoops, let's see. A little mermaid tail. Is it staying in place? There we go. But let's see what these cards are. They have different patterns on them, like different Oh my goodness, I see what it is. Oh wow. I will show you after. Oh, that said pocket stitch guide. Okay. Look at these cute cards. Wait till I share with you what is on the backs of them. These are so clever and nifty. Oh my goodness. I love those. Now, what's on the back of them is tips. So like this one says working around the back post, and it shows you how to do that. Treble 2 together, double crochet 2 together, a treble crochet, working around the front post, how to do the magic ring, how to change colors, double crochet, back loop, front loop, and double crochet increase. That is really, really cool. I wanted to go back to that one that I saw. Crochet, okay, so that must be the front page of it. So mine was just in the middle. And it's called a crochet pocket stitch guide. That is so cool. I really, really like that. She never ceases to amaze me. All right, so we've got some eyes. My gosh, y'all, there are a lot of goodies in here. And so we got a little pin badge, and it says, "Shell, yeah." Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. The light. Oops, covering it. There we go. Oh my goodness. And sorry about my phone. And I got a little box, and it's taped, and it says, "Beach, please." So let's see what we have. Where's my little scissors? Looks like little sunglasses, but they are scissors, I'm sure. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's what they are. That was so cute. Oh my gosh. That is too cute, and they look like sunglasses. I love it. I'm telling you, these are the greatest boxes. And then our hook this time is a, well, let me do it this way. It's a hand-dipped bamboo hook. And let's pull it out and look at it, because that is gorgeous. And let's see what size this is. It doesn't say on the box. Let me see if it is. It's very, very tiny. It's a 3.75 millimeter. I don't know. Let me see. Bear with me and I will adjust my camera. And that way you should be able to see it. There we go. A 3.75. How pretty. All right. So let me adjust my camera back so it doesn't go all wonky on me. Zooming in and out. All right. And, oh my gosh, we still got one of the polymer. And I don't know if you can see, it says it's a 3 millimeter. Let me see if I can do it without having to zoom in. I think you can see that, but just to show you. It keeps trying. Well, guys, come on, camera. I think you, oh, there we go. There we go. Whew, that was a little bit of work. Look how pretty that is. You can see the glitter in it. That is really pretty. All right, let me adjust my camera back. All right, and I have one more goodie. What a box. And it just said, oh, it told me on the box what it was. It says Crochet Society, but on the back, I'll let you see what I saw. And I may have to adjust my camera again. There we go. Trying to stay on camera. Darning needles. Sorry. All right. And let's put it back into focus. And let's take a look. Love all these little boxes that everything comes in. So I'm trying to take the tape off. I don't want to tear the box. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to see the patterns. I almost forgot about them with all these goodies. And there are 3 of them. So 3 nice pink darning needles. How exciting. Okay. So let me put these back in here and then we will take a look at the patterns. And here is the book. That is adorable. I hope that is one of the patterns. Oh my gosh. And of course, there is Miss Sarah Jane herself and a little message from her. And let me flip to the middle. Yes, I'm being mean. I'm holding off on the patterns a minute. So, our little travel kit is what it's called. This month's box has been designed with holidays in mind. Foldable scissors, plastic darning needles, a hand dip bamboo hook, and handy reference cards can all be slipped into your travel bag and taken with you. So, travel-friendly needles, perfect for sewing up toys and weaving in ends on the go. Pin badge, whether it's the humble crochet shell stitch or some sparkly ones for a mermaid's bra, Who doesn't love a good shell? And stitch marker. Keep track of your pattern with this mermaid's tail marker. And the yarn, 2 balls of Bella Cocoa Crystal in opal and rose quartz. So you guys, this was an awesome, awesome box. Of course, I say that every time. All right, so let's look at our patterns. So yes, one of the patterns is the bucket and the pail. That is so cute. And let's see if I can fold this right. There we go. And it is designed by Melissa Bradley. Take the beach wherever you go with the super cute bucket and spade. I did pretty good reading through the lens. Oh, that is so adorable. Just absolutely adorable. Whoops. Okay, can't hold that up long. All right, let's look at the next pattern. And the next pattern is a cowl called Mermaid's Tail Cowl, and it is designed by Jenny Conduit. This pretty cowl is designed by one of our best crochet buddies, Jenny of Crochet Now magazine. And that is pretty. Let's see, there we go. All right. And these little books have so many goodies inside them and so much about each of the designers that it in itself is a little gift. And then the last one we have is a mini macrame. Get the macrame look with your crochet and create this adorable decoration for your home. And you guys, I do like this. This is a cool idea for gifts too. And it's designed by, and I'm going to apologize if I'm saying it wrong, Gemma Hickman. But look at that. Isn't that just adorable? And that is her name. That's the designer for that one. That is too cute. Well, I honestly was not even expecting this box. So when it came in and I wasn't feeling good, and I know I wasn't feeling good because I actually waited till I could open it with you guys, but I'm glad to be feeling a little bit better and I'm excited. I will be doing some videos down the way, kind of re-showing these patterns and taking a poll, excuse me, of what everyone thinks I should do when I have the specific yarn. So I will be coming back on and doing a separate video. So be thinking about which of those 3 patterns you think that I should make. They're all really great, but yeah, I'm curious to see what you think. So you can leave it in the comment section below, but you might want to wait because there will be a separate video that I can actually take a poll on. But first I'm going to do the box I just got previously that I will be doing that with first. So exciting, exciting. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. And I hope you have a lovely day. Remember to be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations. This is Cynthia with Joyful Creations. Bye.